To silence sound notification active or pause status alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Next, scroll down the screen. Under other section, tap active or pause status and then select silent. By choosing this option, your phone will silence or not play a notification sound when you are enabling or disabling sound notification feature. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.